at being woodsmith. I don't have a whole lot to do.
Woodsmith.
I've made like 24 pairs of wooden shoes.
Are you Dutch?
Isn't that a cobbler?
I guess Pictionary's over. Boop.
Is it 8 o'clock yet? Fine. Okay. Y'all ready?
Ready.
We jiggling? Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again. Because a vision softly creeping left its seats while I was sleeping. And the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. Really flat.
Ooh, do Freeberg!
Narrow streets of cobblestone. Beneath the halo of a street lamp, I turned my collar to the cold and damp. When my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light, it split the night and touched the sound of silence. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking. People hearing without listening. People writing songs that voices never shared. And no one dared disturb the sound of silence. Fools said I do not know. Lands like a cancer rose. Hear my words and I might teach you. Take my arms that I might reach you. But my words, like silent raindrops, fell and echoed in the wells of silence. And the people bowed and prayed to the neon god they made. And the sign flashed out its warning in the words that it was forming. And the sign said the words of the prophets are written on the subway walls and tenement halls, and whispered the sounds of silence. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
That really
Really
wasn't that
fucking flat.
It's actually better occupation.
I was waiting for you to, like, say that we could call you Benny or something. Just at random.
What?
And that, because he sang that too. One of the guys did.
Oh, wait, you're right.